Okay, here I am going to take out the valve stem and the spring keepers without using the special import valve spring compression tool. So I made this little jig that I can bolt onto the cylinder head with wing nuts and use this toggle clamp to help hold the spring down while I get the magnet to grab the keepers. So what I'm going to start out by doing is taking these metric threads, these studs that I had on hand, and put those into where the camshaft bearings bolts normally go. Put those in far enough to where you can still fit the wing nut on top and hold down the bracket. Just slide the bracket down. Put this wing nut on first. Just snug it down a little bit. Don't get it too tight until you get the other wing nut snug on the other side to where it's touching the bracket. Now normally you'd want to put some air pressure into the cylinder head. Now this is the #1 cylinder on this vehicle. This is a 2005 Toyota Corolla, the 1.8 liter, the 1ZZ-FE motor. So I'm going to take my compression tester hose, the quick connect on the other end, and I can thread it in on this side where the spark plug is after I've taken the spark plugs out. Thread that in there. Then I hook up my air line. Hook up my air line right here, just like that. Snug these down a little better. And make sure there's no wiggle in the clamp. You see the toggle clamp right there. It locks down once you push down that red handle up top there. I just took a piece of stainless steel pipe and cut it down to size so I can use that to push down the spring. You barely see the spring in the shot, but you'll be able to get the idea of what's going on once you see it. So I put a little magnet on the edge here, and as you can see, I notched out this pipe, cut it at the correct length. Let's put my magnet on the outside of where these notches are. Bring my toggle clamp down, push down on it. It'll lock in place, and I just kind of want to wiggle the magnet and the pipe until I hear the keepers release, if they will release. Might have to try a couple of times, but undoing the toggle clamp and repositioning the pipe and the magnet. Of course, I pop my magnet off right now. Having the right tool is always nice, but for a one-time deal for now, it's nice not to have to buy a $90 tool since nobody rents it. course, this one's not working. There we go. See the keeper? See if I can get the other one. You can always release the toggle clamp gently. And then grab the spring and the other keeper. And you're good to go. You got your spring out. You're all set. And on to the next one.